May 2016 paper 1 time zone 2 combination. This problem will cover derivative, that is equation of a tangent, then definite integration, then again equation of a triangle as well as the definite integration. So let's start with the first one. Maximum mark is 16. The following diagram shows the graph of f of x is equal to 2x times root of a square minus x square for minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to f, where a is greater than 1. The line L is a tangent to the graph of f at the origin O. The point P, A, B lies on the tangent L. Given that you already got the derivative, f dash x is equal to 2a square minus 4x square upon square root of a square minus x square for minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than a, find the equation of L. I already know the derivative. I know the point at they want the origin, they want the equation of line at O. So m at O 0 0 is, substitute x is 0 here, 2a square minus 4 into 0 square over square root of a square minus 0 square. 0 square is 0, 0 into 4 is 0. 2a square is 2a square. A square minus 0 is square root of a square root of a square is a. A and a get cancelled, so you got a slope of a tangent at OO at origin 0 0 is 2a. Use the equation of a tangent formula, y minus y1, that is 0. Slope of a tangent, that is 2a, time x minus x1, that is 0. X minus 0 is x, y minus 0 is y. 2a times x is 2ax. So this is what the equation of a tangent for line L at origin 0 0. Hence or otherwise, find an expression for b in terms of a. B in terms of a, I can see clearly B is lying on the line L and it is a point P. When x is equal to a, y value is b. So if I know the equation of a line and if I know that any point is lying on this line, I just need to substitute that. Point is given as a comma b. So x is a, y is b. I'm substituting y is b, x as a. So b is equal to 2a times ax value is a, so 2a square. So b is equal to 2a square. This is my equation of b in terms of a. Next one, same diagram, but now they have shaded the area. The point q a comma 0, that means this one, lies on the graph of f, that means this one. Let R be the region enclosed by the graph of f and x-axis. This information is shown in the diagram below, that means this one. Let AR be the area of the region R. This is what the R region they are denoting by AR. They said show that AR is equal to 2 upon 3 times AQ. So f of x equation is 2x times root of a square minus x square. With lower limit is 0 and upper limit is a. I'm rewriting this one. Now this is not a straightforward equation because you can see there are two terms. So one is a 2x which is a linear and the second one is a square root term which is a square minus x square, root of a square minus x square. So we cannot take the integration of this and integration of this, we don't. So here when we have two different terms, middle sign is multiplication or middle sign is division, you always do the substitution to get rid of that. And when you do the substitution, you have to convert all old variables into new variables. So what I'm doing, I know that 2x is not a derivative of this. A square minus x square derivative is 2x. So I'm substituting a square minus x square. Don't put root. Just take the term. Don't take their power. So I'm substituting, and I cannot put only x square. X square is associated with a square. So I'm substituting full a square minus x square to simplify that as my u. As we are doing a substitution of a square minus x square as u, I have to convert this also as well as this one also, as well as this limit also. So we need to take a derivative. Although we know we are doing integration, but when you do substitution, your first part is used to take a derivative to get the value for this dx substitution. So u contains x, du by dx, a is a constant, derivative of constant is 0, minus as it is, derivative of x square is 2x. So du over dx is minus 2x. I want dx. So du upon minus 2, I'm taking minus 2 on this side and dx on the other side. du upon minus 2x is equal to dx. I'm just substituting I'm finding the value of dx. Also, you can see this lower limit 0 and upper limit a are those values of x, and we are converting in terms of u, so you have to convert those limits also. Now substitute this first value is 0, lower limit is 0, that is the value of x, substitute here. So x is 0, u is equal to a square minus 0 is a square. So now 0 is now my a square. If I'll put x is equal to a square minus a square is 0, so a is my 0. Substitute this AR because they said lower limit is now a square, upper limit is now 0, this 2x as it is, root as it is, but a square minus x square is u, and we found out dx as what? Du upon minus 2x. Still I can see x and terms are there, which I can cancel this. So AR is equal to integration of a square to 0 minus, because this minus sign, there is no denominator, so anything upon minus 1 is the minus of root u times du. Okay, so now I'm taking the integration, taking this minus sign outside. U raised to 1 by 2, root u means what? U raised to 1 by 2, u raised to 1 by 2 becomes u raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Upper limit 0, lower limit is a square, upon 3 by 2 is 2 by 3, so minus 2 by 3 because minus sign is there. Put upper limit 0, 0 raised to 3 by 2 minus a square raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 as it is. 0 raised to anything is 0. A raised to 2 raised to 3 by 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled, so a raised to 3 minus of a cube. Minus of minus becomes plus a cube, so 2 by 3 times a cube, that is my answer. Or second method, if you don't want, you can see here, if you want to change, if you want to get rid of this minus sign, you can swap the limit. When you swap the limit, the sign of integration will change. So here you can see a square goes here, 0 comes over here, this minus sign is vanishes. This is the rule. When you go integration from a to b f of x dx, and you want to change the position of the limits, b a up, b down, then you change the sign of the, if it is a positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive. So here if I'm swapping this, a square goes up, 0 comes down, negative vanish, root u, and then I carry out the same process, still I got the same answer. So you can do any method, you will get the full marks. Last part, let AT be the region, let AT be the area of the triangle OPQ. We know O, we know Q, and we know P. If I'll connect this, you can see P and Q has the same x value, that means this has to be right angle triangle. What they have given, AT, that is the area of a triangle, is equal to K times AR, that is area of this part. Find the value of K. So I'm using the same condition, AT is equal to K times AR. What is area of a right angle triangle? AT is equal to K. What is the condition? AT is equal to K times AR. What is the area of a right angle triangle? Half of base, that is A, into height, that is B, half of AB. K as it is. What is AR? 2 by 3 A cube. I'm writing that. Now problem is there is B, and that is why in the first part they said write down B in terms of A. So I'm using this condition, B is equal to 2A square right now here. So half as it is, A times B is what? 2A square becomes 2A cube is equal to K upon 3 as it is 2A cube. You can see 2A cube get cancelled. So half is equal to K by 3. Take 3 on this side. So K is equal to 3 by 2. So your K value is 3 by 2. Thank you.